Good morning, guys, and welcome to another lunch video. Today is Monday, and it's really simple because your girl here is pretty lazy. I don't even want to be out of my bed. But you know what? Today is going to be a no container except for this container kind of day, if you get what I just said. It didn't make sense. So the children are going to have some strawberries with what is this thing called? Blueberries? Yeah, blueberries. So strawberry, blueberries, that's their fruit for this morning. No vegetable. Who cares? A banana, a fruit snack, mott's. I'm staying away from fruit by the foot, whatever situation. Stick with stuff that I can pronounce and call, because I don't want to be called out of my name. Children are vicious on the internet. Why is this thing not focusing? So this is what it's called. Do you see it? It's right there on the package. Yay! They're going to have Smucker's Uncrustable. This thing is not focusing again. There, focus. Right there. And then they're going to have a pack of juice that wasn't even put in the refrigerator. And then Jaxson. This is Jaxson? Destiny. No, this is Jaxson. Destiny's having the same exact same thing. So I'll see you guys after school today. Just a side note, I thought it wasn't enough food, but just seeing it packed up makes me feel a little bit better that this should be able to fill my 9-year-old up. So I'll see you guys later. This is Jackson's lunch container filled up, so it looks good too. Okay guys, so it's after school on Tuesday, and Miss Destiny ate her food. Let's see how Mr. Jaxson did. Jaxson finished everything, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another day of lunch video. Today is Tuesday, and it's another simple kind of lunch situation. Less container. It's just one little container. So let's get started on Jaxson. Jackson's gonna have a go-go squeeze in the apple banana flavor. He has a Mott's assorted fruit thingy here. Has a Uncrustable peanut butter and strawberry jam sandwich here. It's frozen. I did that already. He has a cutie. Is it a cutie or halo? Either one. He has some grapes here. I didn't cut them. I'm kind of second guessing my life right now whether or not I should cut them, but he's 6, so he should be able to manage whole grapes, because these are kind of big. These are really big, so hopefully he's not talking and get distracted and swallow a whole grape and it gets stuck in his throat and he, yeah, okay, no. A carrot, some carrots. This is the Annie's. This is the dressing that I use, and this is vegan. So that's the dressing I use for their carrots. These carrots look like they've seen better days, but whatever. And he has his juice. Let's get really whatever. Destiny's having the same thing over here. Same thing, except this is different. This is a medley. I don't know, whatever. It's the same. I think it's the same. Who knows? She's having a cutie, grapes, same thing, juice, and we will see you guys after school today. Bye guys. Okay guys, so it's after school on Tuesday. Let's see how Miss Destiny did. So she had her Smucker's, her sandwich. What else? Whatever else I packed this morning is gone. She did really well with the carrots and stuff. Jaxson, let's see how he did. I think it's the same. I think it's the same.
I did not.
So Jaxson did good with the carrots, right? You had how many carrots, Jaxson?
None.
None? You didn't eat any? Not at all?
No.
Are you sure?
Like hard stuff.
You do not like hard stuff?
No.
Boy, if you don't get your life together, and he is right, he didn't even touch it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, and welcome to another day of lunch video. So today the children are going to be having a these Gordine pizza pocket. It just looks like that, and they look more round than they do on the box. So it's just pizza pocket, and I just cut it open so that, you know, Jaxson is able to pick it up better with his hands. They're gonna have their running water. I need to switch up their juice. I'm getting bored of showing juice, but I can't find any juice that's that doesn't have a lot of sugar in it and stuff. So I just kind of like stick with what I know. So that works. So the pizza pocket, celery, hummus, apple. Put lemon juice on this so it doesn't go brown. Strawberry, go-go squeeze, Mott's, and Destiny's having the same, except I gave her grapes, and then I put her hummus in this little container. Go-go squeeze, juice, Mott's, fruit snack. So I will see you guys after school today. Okay, so this is for after school on Wednesday. I'm just doing it on Thursday because I was tired, went to sleep. Let's see how Jaxson did. Where's your bag?
Right here.
Okay, so he didn't eat the pizza pocket, but he had everything else. Okay.
My lunchbox is down. Oh, now this.
I want to see that.
I see them. That's it.
That's so cute. Okay. Cool. Okay.
This is not much because there I had.
Okay.
Then I had the Valentine's Day party.
Okay. Alright. Good morning, guys, and welcome to another day of lunch videos. So today is Thursday, and I can't wait for Friday. The children are going to be having this meatless chicken strips. So what I did is I made fajitas out of it. So I just put some bell peppers, fried up with some bell peppers, and then put it in this tortilla or fajita wrap, whatever you want to call it. So they're both gonna have 2 of those, and then some strawberries, a cutie, clementine, mandarin, whatever this guy is. They're gonna have a fruit snack, their juice, and I feel like this is not a lot, but it should fill them up. Okay, I'll see you guys after school today. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, so it's after school on Thursday. Let's see how Destiny did. Everything else is, except for that, they didn't do well on that. Okay, so Jaxson ate just the fruit, and he didn't touch the fajitas. So better luck next time. I'll see you guys tomorrow.